Hi friend, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. Today I am going to explain about the upcoming possible moves in natural gas futures prices during the week before the impending inventory announcement on coming Thursday. Today, movement of natural gas futures will remain quite volatile as all eyes are focused on the upcoming natural gas impending inventory on Thursday. No doubt that the upcoming inventory of natural gas looks to favor natural gas bulls due to cooling demand ahead due to coming summer season. But till the natural gas futures sustain above the level of $3.067, we may see volatile moves on either side due to any shift in weather announcement, which is currently as the updated forecasting model pointed to above average temperature covering most of the United States over the next 2 weeks. This will continue to push cooling demand during the coming summers. Friends, let us have a look at the movement of natural gas future prices in 1 hour chart. Here you can see that on the first trading session of this week on June 10th, we witnessed a gap up here at these levels, and I think that this was a good opening, but at the level of 2.980 we faced a lot of resistance due to the thick presence of natural gas bears. No doubt that the natural gas futures came downward with a steep move, but they have taken a good support at the same levels which we witnessed on the first trading session. Here natural gas futures are still sustaining above this gap up zone, which makes it a good candidate for moving upward with a thrusting move during the week, because growing demand still has an upper hand over the supply of natural gas all over the world. Reflection of this phenomena of growing demand is clearly visible in the daily chart of natural gas futures. Let us see how the phenomena of growing demand of natural gas created gap up in the daily chart of natural gas futures. Here you can see in a daily chart, I am going to explain about the movement of natural gas futures in a territorial zone. I have termed this chart pattern as a territorial zone because I find this is a nice mapping pattern for the movement of natural gas futures in a broader sense. Right at the moment, natural gas futures are sustaining at these levels. Friends, you can see that from these levels we are still maintaining an uptrend voice in a daily chart, which is evident enough that the natural gas bulls are too eager to enter in no man's land. This is the zone where natural gas bulls attain all the powers to start their shooting upward. From these levels, natural gas gained all the potential to move inside the bear's territory after crossing the bear's border. As you have already witnessed during the month of January, once we cross these levels, natural gas futures straight away move upward and face resistance during the bootstrapping zone only. Let us have a more closer look in the natural gas futures movement in a 4-hour zone in the same territorial pattern. Here you can see that we are moving on an uptrend while straight natural gas futures have attained a good position inside the bulls border. They are just looking ahead to enter inside the no man's land. Natural gas bulls may get more power during the coming summer season because we find the current stock position of natural gas stockpiles are not too sufficient to meet the growing demand of natural gas all over the world. Friends, no doubt announcement of natural gas inventory on Thursday. Here you can see all the analysts are expecting an injection of 85 billion cubic feet, which will be compared with the last week stock position of 92 billion cubic feet. No doubt that the natural gas inventory looks to favor natural gas bulls this time. This is the only reason that we are still maintaining above the gap up levels. We are maintaining these at these levels, and I expect the movement of natural gas future prices till the inventory announcement of natural gas futures above this uptrend line. I find that natural gas futures will find their first resistance at the level of $2.997, but I'm sure that a little bit of more or less injection will provide a give boost to natural gas futures to cross these immediate resistance at $3 before the announcement of weekly inventory on Thursday. After crossing the level of $3 resistance, natural gas futures will likely to sustain above the level of $3.159. Thank you friends. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for regular updates on different commodities. You may share this video with your more involved friends so that they can get regular update on crude and natural gas on regular basis.